Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this tutorial we are going to make some famous car brand logos in Photoshop CC 2021. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Alright, so we have to select the A4 size paper, choose its orientation to landscape and create the icon. And firstly we have to make an ellipse tool and change color to black. Okay, first of all, and at this moment it's not working because I have selected some blending options, and we have to select the color from their side, that is a color overlay. And then I have to go to ellipse tool again and just create a new ellipse again, and just inside or just beside this ellipse. Okay, we can also do like we can also create the copy of that ellipse by pressing Ctrl plus J command, and just decrease its size, and because we have to we have to minus this ellipse from the bigger one. So simply just press Ctrl on the image and rasterize the first ellipse and just press delete. Okay, just rasterize the ellipse one and just press delete command to delete the small ellipse from the big ellipse too. Okay, from the big circle. So simply this the stroke sized like you can say the stroke is created in the ellipse, and now we have to go to the blending options. Simply we go to the gradient. Okay, we have choose some specific colors. You can see like we have a grid color. Okay, you can choose the values from right side, and just you have to make pointers like that, 5 to 6 pointers, and just choose colors like that, like I'm choosing. Okay, and then simply you have to click on OK and just go to the bevel. Okay, bevel and distort. So you have to select the inner. Okay, and just it will create like this shape. Okay, and after that you can choose there's the options available. You can choose from that side as well, and simply it will create the specific, you can choose size, you can choose the softness, and simply it will create the sharp image as well. Okay, just click on OK, and now we have this circle created, and simply we have to create the copy of this circle, and just press Ctrl plus J. Okay, and just drag it from right side, and just making a specific distance, just create another two ellipse. Okay, another two circles, and just drag it with a specific and defined shape. Okay, simply now the logo is created now, and we write the Audi right over there. Change color to, I'm just changing color, it's up to you. And simply now we are going to make the BMW logo. Okay, firstly we have to choose the ellipse tool again. Okay, and same we have just created the ellipse, and now we are going to decreasing stroke, and just making its stroke size to 185 pixels. Okay, and okay, just go to the blending options of this ellipse one tool, going to the firstly I'm going to inner shadow, and just making the stroke to screen. Okay, blending mode to screen. Opacity you can choose the noise, you can choose the other options available. You can choose anything and make it according to you. And now I have to choose the rectangle tool. I'm going to make two rectangles, which is also including the BMW logo. You can choose the stroke size for yourself. I'm choosing the 8 pixels. Okay, 6 pixels maybe, and choose this color is to sky blue. Okay, is it a sky blue color which is in a BMW logo as well. And now I have to make a Ctrl plus J to make the copy of this triangle, and just going to rotate this one. Okay, and just going to rotate, and so it will be perfectly rotated. And now I'm going to take it inside, the ellipse which is stroked, which it will be on the front. okay, it will be on the top, and the two rectangles will be beneath the ellipse one. So simply the other corners will be hide into the stroke of the ellipse. Okay, and now we are going to make an ellipse again. Okay, and simply it will fill the inside of the stroked ellipse. You got that? Like it will, like that you can see, like I'm just taking it into the center, and the stroke and the unfilled circle will be filled by this ellipse. Okay, that's why I changed the color so that we can easily see. Otherwise, if I select the white color, we can't show the we can't see where's the circle and where we have to put that. Okay, and simply it will create the filling into the stroke circle, which is unfilled. Okay, and the second step now we have to do, we are going to increase the stroke size. We are firstly I choose the less stroke, but I need more stroke to create it more thicker. I'm making the stroke size more thicker so we can write down our BMW text as well inside this ellipse which is stroked, and making it more thicker, the triangle, because it's look like more thinner, like it's not like you can see, if it is more thick then it can be more looking good. Okay, so simply we are just doing adjustments according to actual official, you can say official BMW logo. So but we can't make like exact logo because those are professionals, and we are just you can say we are beginners, and we are just practicing our work, and we are just trying to make it. Okay, like actual BMW is like that, but in original, like in physical, the logo is like 3D. So next time I will try, next video I will try to do a 3D logo of all these BMW, all these Audi, okay, and other car brands, famous car brand logos, like supercars as well. So just go and change its orientation, you can say, to the arc which is mentioned when we are typing the type tool, and we can see on the top right, top side. So simply I'm just choosing a specific font, and just creating and resizing the logo according to the circle, and simply I'm just adjusting it. So again, choosing the logo, any font which can be fit into the circle and looking good. So right now it's not properly fitting, and like it's we have to adjust it, but just for this purpose of video we are just making it and just adjusting so that it can be it's not 100% like it 100% is not actual BMW logo, but almost we are creating it. So just we are now drop shading the logo so that looking some type of original but not actual, and just inner shadows and all that blending options. We are just creating more and more, like the shadowing and drop shadows, and outer glow to the rectangles, and just creating as we can create it. It's not 100%, I know, but I tried my best. Okay, and in next video I'm very trying my best to make it 3D. Okay, I will try. If I am successful, I will create a video, and if I am not successful, so simply I will choose any other topic, and we will simply go ahead, and we will all learn something new as well. Okay, and thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like this video. I know the videos are coming very late due to some you know, I just my exams are there again and again, and I'm very busy, and I'm just trying best, and hope I will try my best to upload videos daily basis as well. So hope this time will also come when I upload every day a new video. We'll learn something new. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, just give a like to this video, and share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thank you.